century. In 2022, Denzel Washington received the Presidential Medal of Freedom. Denzel Washington began his career in theater acting in performances of Broadway. He first came to prominence in the NBC medical drama series Saint Elsewhere, which was released from 1982 to 1988, and in the war film A Soldier Story, released in 1984. Washington won Academy Awards for Best Supporting Actor for his role as an American Civil War soldier in Glory, released in 1989, and for Best Actor for playing a corrupt cop in Training Day, released in 2001. Other movies in which Denzel